This brief tutorial will walk us through the new depression volume functionality available in Dot3D Pro 3.3.2 or higher. The first step is to capture your scanned data of an area that you want to calculate the volume of a hole. In this case, we're looking at a pothole. It could be a larger or a smaller hole, but something irregular that's pretty hard to calculate otherwise, and we're going to take care of it for you in the software. So this was captured using an Intel RealSense D415 depth camera because it was out in a sunny area, but this also could be done using your DPI-10 or DPI-10 SR scanner. So once you have the data and you're happy with it, you want to select Measure Fill Volume. This can be done on the tablet or back on your laptop or PC, as with all functionality other than scanning in Dot3D. Next, it's going to instruct us to long press and release on a portion of the floor or the ground. So just select an area outside of the hole itself, tap and hold, and then it'll bring you to a straight down view and prompt you again on the bottom of the screen to use that long press functionality to start selecting points around the hole that you want to measure from. So you're just going to essentially create a pattern of dots that connect to create a polygon. And you want to err on the side of selecting extra area. That really won't hurt you here. So just make sure you have full coverage of everything that you do want to calculate the fill volume of. Then when you're happy with your selection, you press Proceed on the right, and it immediately calculates for you the fill volume of this hole from the red surface downward. As you see, some of that red surface is being cut off by irregular fluctuations in the ground itself. And if that's the case, or if you just want to add an inch on top, for example, you can use the slider on the right side of the screen. So we'll increase this by, say, 0.8 inches, give ourselves some extra clearance and make sure we have a flat, level surface. It also helps to round up a little bit with the materials you might need to fill the hole. So now we have our volume calculation on the right side of the screen, our surface area calculation right below that, and we can go ahead and utilize that information in our project.